Welcome back to another CR125 build video. This is episode 5 and I'm completely rebuilding the front suspension. And I always have beats on in the garage when I'm working. I picked up these forks cheap, but they're in pretty bad shape. So I've got a Pro X fork rebuild kit and an all balls seals kit. But first things first. I've got new stickers. I mean, who doesn't like stickers, right? Alright, start by tearing these forks down. Now bear in mind this isn't a tutorial video, but I do hope you enjoy watching this bike come together. If you want a tutorial, I've got you covered in the next one. I'm going to do a more detailed video on how I shine up these metal parts. So that's new bushings, new seals, fresh oil, and good polish. Even had to clean some of the rust off the damper rod because these forks were rough. Now they're factory smooth. As you can see, I'm making progress. Starting to look like a dirt bike. What do you want to see next? Subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you in the next one.